Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Just doing a little update video for you guys. We got the rear axle in, as well as new U-bolts and a 2-inch lift. Locks in the rear, keys in the front. We don't have those in yet, but we're probably gonna put those on before the cab goes on. Then we got the tank all painted and new gas tank mounts and straps. And obviously that's going to be replaced. And this is going to be a receiver that's going to be going on it. And what we are working on now is our little redneck mechanism. Is me and my brother are pulling the motor and the tranny. That should be out today. And that's this little update for you guys. I'll have more posted. Hey guys, well obviously it's been a few weeks or a month or so since I did my last OBS update, and this is the motor in the new frame and on wheels with the gas tank installed, and we just started doing the wiring harness and could be getting all the fuel lines and brake lines for it shortly, and then we can put the cab on. But last time you saw this frame, it was outside on a trailer, no wheels, nothing, no motor, no gas tank. And I had a time lapse for you guys for the motor pulling, but I had to completely reset my computer and lost all that footage, so